Check it out, man. My name is Kenzo, and this song right here, Baba, goes out to Manyora.
Hola bafethu, igama lami uPTT Mahone. Namhlanje ngihambisana no
Tebo Malati from Lapo.
Tebza Malati from Mlapo bafethu. Tebza mfethu ngifuna ukukutshela nje agent of change. Ngiyajabula ukuthi ufikile nawe la kuPotila seKasi nemfethu. Sibonge mfethu, sajabula kakhulu ukuthi basesekhona abantu abazosisiza ukuthi sispread le message yobubi balento. Uyangi-understand mfethu? Yeah, Tebza ngicela mangikhulumela mfethu ubachazela abalaleli, ubachazele nabazali nabo banake nabantwana babo ama-1 and 2 izinto ezikhiphana endleleni. Uyangithola? Ngicela umbekele nje ngobubi bayo dayini intanga. Tebza ngicela umbekele istory sakho. Tebza wena asikisi sisters, wena mawukhula ukhuluma umntana onjani before ungena into ezi-wrong? What kind of child were you? Like since the primary?
Open child, like a student.
Yeah.
You understand?
Like from lower primary, higher primary till
From crèche.
You.
From crèche, I was
Okay.
like an A student, ne? So like umamkhulu wami wabona potential kimi.
Okay.
And mami, my biological mother, beyangasebenzi and stuff like
Yeah.
that. So umamkhulu wami first born mama was a teacher.
Okay.
So obviously uzobona like umntwana wami
uyakhona ukunothisa
so she funded like everything.
Yeah.
So when I got to high school,
Okay.
I was a bit chubby and stuff.
Okay.
So that's where the smoking started. Yeah, understand?
Okay.
Because I wanted to lose weight.
So njengoba umntana ochabi kanje as an A student, they say we attract our own. So abangani ngabo bonabo wena, mokabangani abanjani?
The problem started in high school.
Okay.
Because when I got to high school, I was a bit more
Beginning
shy.
or mid high school or
First year.
First year,
Yeah.
yo.
When I got to high school, I saw people are smoking.
Mhm.
You understand? And then I talked to some people, and then I got this impression Insamo can make me slim, like the
Okay.
other girls in school, because I
Okay.
wanted to fit in.
Also bakhona laba abakunikeza lento leyo ukuthi no, it can happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to be with us, you have to smoke a cigarette and stuff like that. That's when I started.
So when lapho bakutshela lezi zinto lezi vele you are playing with those things.
Yeah.
Akusinto zakho.
I'm next. You understand? So I wanted to fit in, high school.
Yeah.
So I took the first puff, and then from the first puff it went to Daha.
So introduce umuntu omdala nakuwe or the same age.
Let me say a year older than me, because
Yeah.
they were in grade 9.
Okay.
And we were using the same transport.
All right.
So
okay.
every now and then they would smoke.
Yeah.
When we fetched the other students from the schools. You understand?
Yeah.
So like it looked cool.
Okay.
Oh,
Now it did
Yeah.
give you that. Yeah.
So I wanted to also be the cool kid in school.
Okay.
And I wanted to get slim. You understand? Not knowing like I'm actually getting myself into shit.
Yeah.
And
How
then-
big were you? Mangabe uzufune like did it make you lose your self-esteem?
Yeah,
Like,
a
how
lot,
big
because
were you,
people were dissing me, like, I Stula, Pomboy, things like
But you're the
that.
intellectual.
Yeah, but like, intellectual with no self-esteem, it's not,
Eish.
you understand that, like,
Yeah.
every year.
And the vele I think lezi zidom vele mesinayo lento le ukuthi
You
we have
understand?
to break the spirit.
You understand?
Bangakhulumi ngayo yonke into
No,
lona.
dude. And like, I started smoking. Because being from the Marvin High, so like, kukude nasekhaya.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
So
yeah.
akufani nala elokishini ukuthi
Basase
ngisaba ukuthi
abo Norvik basasekhona.
yo wasinobheki.
No, a friend of a friend used to attend there. So
Okay,
nyabazi ngabo shoes and socks.
Yo,
Yeah,
you know all about it.
Yeah.
Sasekhona uNodveki bele. Okay, sharp. Angisiyazi like esikolweni, obviously they wouldn't want us to do into is wrong if futhi babona i-potential. You
Yeah.
understand? And I mean umamkhulu wami uzihlalele eMpumalanga, mina ngayi, understand?
Or
She's
so
funding.
was funding ngani.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was actually living with my biological mom and my grandmother.
Okay.
You understand? So bona they couldn't see anything cause ngude nasekhaya.
Mhm.
Akufani nala elokishini ukuthi like uzobona umama se next door motochi.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
and like it shows like nobody tells you shit. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, sengibhaka
So
isikolo.
okay, umtshele ne Mina my days of banking, ne?
Yeah.
Ngifunda basimi school, but banka neMalvin.
Okay.
Yeah, like banka nabo. Like mina my days of banking, nabo.
Yeah, because there was this name that they Malvin Heavy Smokers.
Yeah,
Malvin,
MHS. Yeah.
So it was a cool school, but like, and in Nayo itself, it's like a park.
Yeah.
Docha kona lapha esikolweni.
Yeah. So ngaleso sikhathi leso mekuse corrupt ngaleyo ndlela leyo, like you still had that access. So was it still the same principal, which was the Cooper?
It was Mr. Rife.
Mr. Rife.
Yeah.
Mr. Rife, yeah.
Cooper, the guy HOT.
Yeah, Mr. Rife, yeah.
Yeah, but Mr. Rife, he ended up, there was a time in school, Shuti Makfika Tina 2006, I'm at grade 8, or 2006. Angazi waba nebeshi, or in and by the time I was heavy on Taha. Understand?
So who grade band labo?
Mina grade 8. September, I understand.
Yeah.
Waba nebeshi esikolweni, you understand? There's this friend of mine, Kaiser, uza nama plastic brown. I understand. Now he's introducing us to Inyaupe, and then to think of it, he doesn't even smoke cigarette.
Yeah.
You understand? So, it was me, it was my other friend Noctula and Uchoni. So it was 2 girls and 1 boy. You understand? So Uchoni knew something about the state. You understand? So like babies are it's your kumbuya Hevex.
Yeah, Hevex.
You understand? Yeah. That's what they used to call in our opinion, this was
okay.
You understand? So like learn at it's gonna definitely do the job. You understand? My Johnny like me up pay me like we are lad. You understand? I was like Mina Mingfim in some. It used to make me double of what I am. Should like I love books, I love drawing, I love reading, you understand? So Mingfim I would become more focused. Yeah, you understand?
We were strong at least.
Yes. Okay. So there was a time in school, I'm in grade 9, I fell. And I moving in my workshop. So when I fell, the principal was like, you fell because like you were high. You understand? So
where were you high?
I was high.
So you were high in So no matter introduce an lento you say
okay, I was like, I don't smoke drugs, you know, transport. Hence, they could see who sent a store. So they didn't trust who sing a hammer, you understand? So, okay, sharp, solar. My workshop. While I was trying to run away, I actually fell. And I hit my head. You understand? Okay, sharp. The ambulance came at school. My cousin went with me, Joey Chen, and then I got stitched. So the following, it was a Thursday, I remember. Friday when because now being a tongue glove. You understand? Because besides being an H student, I'm rolling with the big boys. Sharp. You understand? Yeah. So, okay, Sharp, my mother was like, no, you can't go. I guess she was born over to the mail. Okay, Sharp, weekend there, and then on Monday when I got to school, I'm 4 years, in class. Like, well, not vague.
Yeah.
Bro. Like, what we don't like, office. Okay, when we got to the office, they tested me.
For drugs.
It's okay, the school was going to be in trouble. What the hell? Like, what the hell? I was running away from Mr. Rife because booking a substitution area.
Okay.
Where the teachers are not there. So basically, the principal and we are phone. So Tina Mr. Substitutes. I understand. Yeah. So he's the principal. So we went at the back of the workshops. I understand. So not make no Cooper was Nyonyo Bella, and then when we tried to run this when I fell.
Yeah.
So messing the office in Monday. When they tested me, they found Taha. You understand? And they found main drugs. You understand?
So you main drugs if you got because main drugs no cool you didn't include it.
I didn't include it, but like it was there because I was out. There was this place at Denver, where we were staying.
Yeah.
It was a jukebox by visible.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. So, in main breaks, they would smoke it with the
Bike.
You understand? Okay, sharp, like that 2 pools, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, it was heavy on my chest.
Okay.
But baguette brown, and then they put it in the mirror, you understand?
Yeah.
Like irrelevant. You understand? So like it meant Rex.
So how was your first time you hitting Lelo Bagatelle Brown?
Yo,
Like into my ass.
yo, like I was for the longest time I was high. You understand? I was like drowsy because I smoked maybe like 2 or 3 packs, started vomiting because it was super. You understand? And then even when I got to the transport, I was sleeping. You know, I used to be in my house party on my Friday night. When I supposed to try, I smoked this thing. You understand? Yeah, like and sensation I con. Be last is cat's name more than in sound. Yeah, I understand. So I started dropping at school because like we saying signs on my homework.
All of this is introduced in grade 8.
Grade 8 till 9.
To 9, okay.
Yeah. So when I got to grade 10, I failed because obviously we're saying we have it. You understand? When I got to grade 10, I failed. So my people decided to take me to Mpumalanga, thinking they're gonna move me away from the heroin. But they're actually taking me to a place. Okay, it's a location, but a small location in the rural areas. I understand. Okay, in your Nobani, now she's actually strict. You understand? So that's jealous. When I got there, like Mamkulam is actually old. You understand? Because even the teachers that were teaching me were taught by her. You understand? So it was a shit. I'm in the location. You understand? I don't know who knows me here. You understand? I can't hold a cigarette. Like, you understand? And it down, I used to ask. You understand? So, Mpumalanga should be seeing Mpumalanga on a Monday.
Okay.
And then we'd come back on a Friday. Because ngada silly scored.
Yeah.
Fundisa ngade, mina nkeleza ngale.
Okay.
I understand my husband, our family is the same.
Okay.
So the whole week was being shut down. And like, I mean, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, when we're coming back this side, was being shut down. But when I'm that side, I can operate because near school. Okay. I understand. Okay. That's the chance where I get Usimpume. I understand. Okay, sharp. When I got that side, I became worse because like the mood basis like was like, okay, I will what's this? I understand. We actually senior that's where I got to smoke rocks. You understand? So me now with my knowledge there when it's all like I want so okay, what's that to say? I would explain to them. You understand? And then like we smoked it. You understand? So Leo Dragon Leo chasing a dragon that you don't even you understand? Okay, sharp. That's when I got to the heavy stuff. And you see
but fair to chasing the dragon is chasing the first high that you will never get.
Exactly. Yeah. You understand? So obviously I need to see that's where the dosage comes higher and higher. And when you're smoking rocks, like everybody who smokes rocks, if you're a millionaire today, within 3 months you'll be a centennial. That's like you understand? It's gonna take each and everything from you. Like the drugs, you're gonna get high the first day, you understand? Second day, maybe a week. But as soon as you want to smoke 2 or more bags, then you must know it's like you're done. You're gonna do shit. You're gonna do shit that they
I want you to repeat, Leah. If you start rock as a millionaire,
you'll definitely 3 months is enough for you to be a centennial. Like rocks is like they call it some more. Yeah. The more you smoke it is the more you smoke it. Yeah. And it's the more you want it. And it's not cheap. It doesn't come cheap. Yeah. I understand. So when if you know you're gonna take a pipe and smoke rocks, then your children's future is gone. Like you understand that I've been this permanent like with celebrities. You understand? Okay, sharp, that's where okay, it's university. I'm like, I'm not going to varsity. because it's saying naughty. You
Yeah.
understand? And if I sit in umuntu or focus, I'd rather go to college.
So when an apparent job bakuthatha bakise eMpumalanga ne
Yeah.
trying to move you back on track.
Yeah.
Ungena edragini elisha.
Yes. Now
So,
I'm smoking.
Lelo drug lelo ukuliqala kwakho wena.
Yeah.
Like the first time ulithi pa, what's happening to you?
I was
Is it giving you something to stay in or something to run away from?
to stay.
To stay.
Yeah,
Can you
'cause
explain
they-
how?
they-
Can you
they-
explain
they-
the
they-
feeling? Yeah.
Like I was, ngathi baby's power. It's not
Okay.
like crystal when you understand. They are either power and you want to be alone. It gives you that sense of like lumhlaba.
Oh, wow.
That's mine. Yeah, I understand. And like ngapha ikuphendula enye because when mawuqala uzwa nje a small noise, you understand?
Yeah.
You want to have a fit. You understand?
As everyone is
And-
saying, their first hit, umhlaba, we feeling at one. But
Yeah.
when I don't understand, with umhlaba, when in your own world,
Yeah.
how do you operate? You understand?
like, okay,
Because
you
now I
have-
remember my first hit, I felt
Yeah.
like the world is mine.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
one time.
Chap, now I was like a queen of my jungle. You
Yeah.
understand? I used to give all my mom taung. I understand
Okay.
there's this tendency of taung, baramkhe. So we're at that first hit from Rocks. You understand? And like I was with Nomsa when I was smoking it.
Okay.
She's a bisexual lady. She's older than
Okay.
me. You understand? And she actually, okay, 1.5 moon. You understand?
Okay.
That was like the
So,
second
you are
time.
half
Second
minutes,
time.
khuluma ngento engakanani? Mongayibeka ngamagram. Mongayibeka ngamagram.
4.5.
4.5 grams.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then upemaya ngakuphela. Yeah, understand? And she bought me
Uphema
my,
irock kuphela.
yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. So like I guess now nala maroka wa fun.
Yeah,
I understand.
yeah.
Leya yakashe but okay, but we rock. I
Okay.
understand. But because being a gabi is 60 million.
Yeah.
I understand. But
Yeah.
this one that Nomsa had was the good shit. You understand? Like,
Yeah.
I was like, yo, okay, sharp. Like, how am I gonna afford this shit? I understand. That now there's nothing glamorous about now drugs.
Okay.
Kumele ngiqale ukuphanda
Sawuhlangana.
manje. Angisayi esikolweni angisacarry, you understand?
Yeah.
Sengicedile.
Angathi ufela ugrade 10. Ukugrade
Ufela.
bani maso.
Okay, asithi mina ngijampile ne because I went to azangikhulume ngabo grade 11 and stuff,
Yeah.
but I managed to finish my matric. You
Okay.
understand? That's
So
why,
matric kwakho umphasa kahle.
yeah, ngipase kahle. Well,
Yini?
B.
Okay.
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 It's
but-
reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like okay, sharp. And then
Okay, as a student, then how did you feel getting out of school ngopi like wena go
Yo,
and knowing
okay,
abantu
give
phuma
me-
kubo?
it was, yo, here we go again. My family is not gonna understand this.
Yeah.
Bona bebabheka ama-distinction,
Yes.
ama-exemption and stuff like that. They were like, you going back to school, motherfucker. You understand? Like, that's the mentality that they had. So I had to upgrade, okay?
Okay.
But, like, still, I still have to think pande for the shit.
Okay.
Cause like umankulu wami like uvale yonke into my allowance and shit like that. You
Yeah.
understand? Because okay, we were paying for you, and then when I
Wenza into zakho.
go into zam. And when I got tested, now I'm using cocaine. I see okay.
So mama testa esikoleni laphayana. Does it come back to mamkhulu?
I'm tested, and then they told my parents, and because bang recommended sank, obviously the family was going to know. So I was there. I was in grade 9.
And
So-
when I lesikhathi sakho sesanka, did it give you the thing ukuthi man nothing stop le nto leyo?
No. I was like, these people bayangihlangene. You understand that? Like, yeah. Even nasema meeting in because I would go in my meeting in Tuesday and Thursday. Should see the transport bay. Less full level. Yeah. Should see school when you were demanding senior is hung.
Yeah.
I still want to be a student bay.
Yeah.
So that's when abantu bakithi sebayazi ukuthi lo sekayaphi. So mamkhulu wami waswapa imali yokukhera for isikhaftini into enjalo. So I had to start ukuthi ngiphande. You understand? So the nicest thing was like i-transport based on share eSanka, but I would still have money for the cab.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And umama beyanginika imali in case i-transport yangishiya.
Yeah.
I understand. And most of the time I used to get detention, so obviously transport being shit.
Yes.
So give my mommy banana truck and stuff. So we run a scrapyard. You understand? So imali behlala you understand? Yeah. So when they started taking away everything from me, I was an accounting student when I got to grade 10 and stuff like that. So I started. You understand? Yeah. So when I started with okay sharp, I realized it's okay. I have to make a plan. That's when I started into shoplifting. Okay, means we are shoplifting. I ends up refund. Means we are refunding. I ends up pay sleepy. You understand? So I didn't get to a chance where I'd actually sell my body.
Okay.
It's in total fix. I understand? Because being a mentality.
So njoba ungena lapho ukuthi sekumele uphande manje ne wenza ama shoplifting. Uploma na ubanda kuya ukuphi like
Senselokshini my people are ngwana seconding school like
young college.
Like okay, I went to college. I just him. I understand. Okay, I afforded my family, making them think I am Patalela while I was learning Kapaza.
Okay.
So,
but you were learning.
Yeah, I was going to school. So there was a time when I missed 2 major papers, and my HOD went straight ending. You understand? I was only potential or because last year I was actually chosen to see New York Kempton Park. Yeah,
are you seeing that potential they see go away now? Or
I know I'm clever.
Yeah.
You understand? And I know I'm gonna make it there.
Okay.
You understand? So, okay, sharp when my HOD went home, but I was out there why I'm skipping some classes. You understand?
Yeah.
And then I let's ni shower it down.
Yeah.
You understand? And then like okay, sharp. I send coach you know what's in love. I understand. And the more love
you.
Yeah, I understand. I was funding for transport.
Yeah, but okay.
So every 15 we were finding my main machine in Yotobeza. You understand? And on that same day when I got home, I found Miss Mashishi, like in the dining room.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? I'm starting those strategy to Mishasha Gokwami.
Yeah.